hoping to come and feed the lambs again, but he's absolutely thrown it down. Oh, it's lovely now. At least it's not raining. Yeah. We're going to see the daddy pig. Oh, okay.
When he goes to pee, he's finished it.
No.
He strokes his tummy.
No.
And he rolls over.
No.
Is this the electric fence?
It is, so yeah, don't touch that way.
No.
It's the bucket, it's the breaks him. Look at his teeth. His teeth.
Yeah, there's sharp as like a crocodile. It's as sharp as a crocodile.
Yes, we can go and see the other animals. Do you? You like sheep, don't you?
We're gonna go and have a look at the piglets now.
You have to move really slow for them.
They do come up to you eventually.
You don't get animals same as lambs, you see, he's a bit jumpy.
That's right, yeah.
Mum is big, isn't she?
Yeah.
No,
You're-
it's-
So we just finished, we've just come away from the farm. How did you find the farm? Was it good? Kids have loved it. Seeing the piglets and feeding the lambs. Nick and Emma were absolutely awesome. Emma was awesome with the kids and great cooks. Nick, very interesting bloke.
You're so stupid.
And they also gave us a jar of their own honey. They have bees as well. They gave us a jar of their own honey. So I really cannot wait to sample that. So we've just come and parked up. We're outside the malt shoveling. They don't serve food, so I'm going to cook the kids up some dinner. Everyone's enjoying the food. We're going now historical place. Don't know what to call it. It's called the Three Trees. Yeah, there's 3 trees by themselves. We're going to go for a little walk, and I was just looking and I noticed on the maps, Google Maps, there's this place and it's called Three Trees. It's a historical landmark, so I thought we'd just come and have a little walk here. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It has been doing all day, but it's nice at the moment. But it's been like this all day, and the boys haven't actually even got coats on, because when I asked them to go and fill up some water this morning, they decided they'd have a water fight instead. Oi, get here. Oi, come here. There we go. I think these are the 3 trees lot.
Let's look at that book.
I bet they've been here a few years, haven't they? I wonder who planted them. I feel like it is. I feel like we're on top of a fort or something. Yeah. Right, stand there. When you're standing still, I want to take a nice photo of you. Come stand in the line. Well guys, I was hoping I could share a bit more information about the 3 trees and why they are a historical landmark. After a Google search, there wasn't a lot of information on the internet. Anyway, me and the kids decided to play a little game around the trees. I decided to stand in the middle, and I'll close my eyes. The kids ran around the outsides and hid behind a tree, and I would then pick a tree at random, and whatever kid was hiding behind that tree was out. So we played a couple of games of this before the heavens opened again. So we had to retreat back towards the van. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.